Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to discuss about the best VPN services in 2020. I made this video because every one of us is in lockdown. So it's good to use a VPN to connect to your office network or to access to the free content or to keep safe your access online. Get yourself the best VPN possible and you will have a tool that will help you to secure online, get around to the block websites, access to the best TV shows, and much more. It's no surprise to the VPN downloads growing in popularity in 2020. Even more, with the half of the world in lockdown, or I say the full world is in lockdown, and everyone is looking for extra online security and extra entertainment to stream. An abbreviation of virtual private network, a VPN service, allow you to change, or basically I say spoof your IP to a secure server that help you to make you more anonymous online and let you effectively trick your laptop or mobile device into thinking it's in another location. The best VPN options are increasingly being used as a replacement for or in addition to the traditional online security, as well as being the ideal service to help you use the internet safely and get around to the block website. The best VPN providers will also get you access to the newest movies and shows in foreign Netflix catalogs, stream in safety, and access to geo-block website and much more. It's unsurprising that there are so many VPN services you can choose from. The amount of options now available to download are overwhelming. Luckily for you, I have tested and reviewed some of the best VPNs. So whatever you are intending to use your new VPN service for, I will give you confidence that you are installing the right one and avoiding any that could potentially be downright dangerous. So the first in the list is ExpressVPN. I have already mentioned some of the main features on the screen. ExpressVPN delivered outstanding performance in our speed test and excellent customer support. I tested myself, plus a 30 days money back guarantee. ExpressVPN offers access to more than 3,000 servers, which is enormous, and 160 locations across 94 countries, alongside maybe the widest platform support you will find anywhere. I'm not talking about native clients for Windows. I'm not just talking about the native clients for Windows, Mac, Linux, plus iOS, Android, and even BlackBerry. They are custom firmware for some routers, DNS content unblocking for a host of stream media devices and smart TVs, and surprisingly capable VPN browser extension for anything that you can run them. All that functionality could sound intimidating to VPN newbies, but ExpressVPN does more than most of to help. An excellent support website is stuffed with detailed guidelines and tutorials to get you up and running. And if you do have any trouble, 24/7 live support is on your hand to answer your questions. It's really worked too. I got a helpful response from the knowledgeable support agent within a couple of minutes of posting our questions downside. Not many to speak of. The ExpressVPN service supports 5 simultaneous connections per user, increased from 3, which was 3 basically, and it comes with a premium price tag. But if you want a speedy service, crammed with top-notch features and with the support you need to help you to see them, choose the ExpressVPN. Second on the list is Surfshark. Based in British Virginia Islands, Surfshark is laid back and playful branding. But when it comes to keeping your online identity secure, it's all business. The basics are all in from starters. So what includes OpenVPN UDP and TCP, IKE version 2 security protocol, AES 256 encryption, and a kill switch ready to stop your details leaking if you ever connection fails. In addition, Surfshark boosts a private DNS and the extra security blanket via double VPN hop. Not to mention a logging policy where all your email address and the billing information are kept on record. It's fast too, whether you are connecting to a US or UK server or somewhere further away, say in Australia and New Zealand. Handy if you are trying to access your Netflix account from abroad. If you are somebody who is easily bamboozled and ultimately puts off by complicated menus and myriad options, Surfshark could be the best VPN for you. It keeps its interface completely stripped back and free from complication. All you will really see are the options for quick connect and on location by setting icons and nothing else at all really. Whether that level of details is a boon or drawback really depends on your perspective. One of the favorite thing about this VPN service, apart from the price tag, is the fact that your subscription cover an unlimited devices and services. So if you plan to use your VPN on your laptop, desktop, or tablet, or couple of mobile devices, and Amazon Fire TV, watching overseas TV, and one account will cover all of them simultaneously. Surfshark offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving you plenty of time to give it a try before committing for a longer period. And even then, annual plans are reasonably priced. Indeed, like if you can see, it's around $12 a month, and if you go for 1 year, it's just like $6 a month, which is quite good. Next on the list is NordVPN. So NordVPN current products match or beat the competition in just every area. You get a choice of over 5,500 servers in around 60 countries with 2048-bit encryption, 6 device support as standard, strong DNS leak protection, kill switches, proxy extension from Chrome and Firefox browsers, and with a payment option that include even Bitcoin, PayPal, and credit card, of course. There are also fast smart DNS like a smart play feature, which can be used to get around geo restriction and unblock a large number of streaming and other services. Our performance test found that the Nord have upped its game from previous testing, connecting to all servers each time, and download speed were well above all but most distinct connection. If I have one quibble, it would be the user experience that NordVPN supplies. Just little things like the destination cities are not being listed in alphabetical orders, or searching through the menus for specific task function. That's us scratching our head about whether Nord have done enough user testing, or I say user interface testing. But as I say, they are pretty minus point. Following the recent news that the popular virtual private network was hacked in 2018, Nord appeared to have taken all the right steps to step up its security measures. I will of course keeping a keen eye on the future development in this regard, the hacking regard, what I'm saying. Nord had also few options including like monthly subscription, an excellent value of 2 years special price, which make it cheap up to like $3.5 a month. If you want to give a service before you commit, NordVPN provides a 30 days money back guarantee. So if you want something much better, that it's your choice, but Nord could give you a 30 days free subscription. The fourth on the list is IPVanish. IPVanish is another strong performer in our VPN test. The service also has some impressive stats like 40,000 plus shared IPs, 1,400 VPN servers, 70 plus countries, unlimited P2P traffic if you are downloading torrents, 10 simultaneous connection, 24/7 customer support. On the subject of support, I really think you can access it directly from your Android or iOS app on mobile. The apps are powerful highlights. Not only are there lots of them, Windows, Mac, Androids, or even Fire TV, but they are absolutely stuffed with unusual feature options and settings, trampling all over basic list of flags and connect button type app you usually get somewhere else. The good The good news continued. When we tried some real world tests, servers were always up and connected quickly. Download speed was above average. Torrents are supported on every single server. Good news for torrent downloaders. And we were able to unblock BBC iPlayer and US Netflix. There are some issues. The issues too, the apps are powerful, but that means there are a lot to learn, and I have noticed a few usability issue. A small number of servers didn't appear to be in the advertised location, and there is no kill switch in iOS app. Overall, if you need its 10 simultaneous connection or VPN configurability, its app take the pulse with the VPN service, and if you somehow you end up unhappy, you are protected by a 30-day money back guarantee similar to the other providers. Up to 10 VPN connection and free cloud storage, IPVanish has been loitering around our top few VPN services for some time now. Even with its huge discount on annual plan, it comes out a bit higher in price than some, but if you are paying for a high quality, up to 10 connections at one time and a whole year free SugarSync cloud service, so it's good value for money. Fifth on the list is the Romanian giant, which is CyberHost. Romanian and German-based CyberHost is a popular VPN provider whose mix of power and ease of use has won over more than 10 million users. The company covers the basic well with more than 6,000 servers spread across 90 odd countries. Apps for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, torrent are allowed, and speedy live chat support. The task-based app is a major highlight. CyberHost does not just leave you guess which server you want to use to unblock a website, for instance. Just choose a geo-block service from the list: Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and YouTube, more. An app automatically connect to the best server and open a browser window at the target site. Now that's what I call helpful. There are plenty of extras too. The service can block ads, tracker malicious websites, like it's a security feature. Automated HTTPS redirection ensures that you always making the most secure connection. Optional data compression can save money on mobile devices. It's not all good news. The desktop interface seems a bit complicated to me. The support size is poor, and although US and European speeds are good, a few of our long distance connection barely reach to 10 MB connection. Even I was using 200 MB fiber connection. Overall, though, CyberGhost offer you a lot of unusual functionality with a fair price tag, and plus a 45 days money back guarantee, longer than most of the competitors we already discussed. Now the next on the list is Private Internet Access VPN. It may not be quite the fastest one or the cheapest or the most powerful, but Private Internet Access is still a likable VPN provider with more than enough features to justify the place in my shortlist. The network covers more than 60 locations across more than 40 countries. For instance, the P2P support on all servers. Expert level extras like port forwarding and SOCKS 5 support are thrown in. Apps for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and Linux, along with the browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Opera, and detailed tutorial for routers and other devices are available on the website. That means the servers can run almost on every single device you own. The apps aren't always as easy to use as I like to be, but they are strong on security, fundamental, and have a plenty of expert level extras. The Android app does not have favorite system, for instance, which means I can frankly take longer to find commonly used servers, which I use always, but it's otherwise easy to use. Can automatically protect you when you access unsecured Wi-Fi, and a kill switch to protect you if the VPN drops, and can even vibrate your handset to tell you when it connects. Good looking browser extension also deliver more than you expect and include a host of privacy related extras with the VPN, flash blocking, cookie cleaning, camera and microphone protection, and many more. Speed was above average in our performance tests, and although price has risen slightly recently, but it still looks good value for us. The last on the list is Hotspot Shield. I put on the list because it's cheaper a bit. Hotspot Shield is a decent free VPN, but the commercial is a whole lot better. Paying for just few dollars a month get you unlimited bandwidth, full access to 3,200 plus servers, more than 80 countries, and support for connecting up to 5 devices 24/7, and of course absolutely no ads at all, similar to like what you get on the free version. Performance was a major highlight in our test with Hotspot Shield. The proprietary Catapult Hydri protocol helping to deliver some of the best download speed I have seen, even from the most distant location. Not only that, but the speed are consistent too. But there is a small problem too, as the Hotspot Shield only uses its own Hydra protocol and no longer support is standard like OpenVPN. You can't manually set it up on a router, gaming console, Chromebook, or anywhere else you might want to use the service. That means the service can only work on devices where you can run it Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. There are a few other issues like no Bitcoin support, no shortage of there is a shortage of configuration option in app, and inability to unblock Amazon Prime Video, at least during my test. These won't matter to everyone though. And if you are just looking for a raw speed at a very low price, then Hotspot Shield well worth for look for, and 45 days money back guarantee is easy to test the service for yourself. So these are my 7 top VPN for 2020 for now. If I miss any of them, or if you have any other, please write in the comment. And friend, please help me by subscribing to the channel and liking the video and sharing to your friends. I will keep posting some good content regularly. Thank you so much and take care.